fellow YouTubers, actors, people who just want to speak on camera. You're going to want to stay tuned for this review of some of the Joby vlogging tools that was recently sent to me to review coming up in this video. Welcome back to Live Free TV. My name is Sarah, Live Free Warrior, the host of this channel. So my friends over at Joby sent me some gear to try and test out. As you know, I do a lot of auditions at home, especially now. I'm filming pretty much majority of my auditions at home, vlogging and doing YouTube videos, which you are watching right here. But in order for me to do so, and in a quality way, because I want you to hear me and be in focus and all those other important things of making YouTube videos, is to have the right gear to do so. So today, I've had this. I've had the Gorillapod for a long time now that I've used a lot, and this is really popular with a lot of vloggers actually. And you hold it here. I think Casey Neistat did this originally. I don't know. But using it for a lot of vlogging. But when they sent me, it comes with arms. So you put on one arm a light. The other one I can attach my phone for reading transcriptions and doing a teleprompter reading from my phone. And then I can put the camera on the top mount and add the arms. It also has a light. It's really amazing. So let's check it out. Here's the arms. Ta-da! The BEAMO. Something really, really cool about this one, it's magnetic. So I can attach it to the fridge, I can attach it to anything metal, a train, something like that. Anything metal, a car. Oh, that's an interesting idea. But you can really put it anywhere that is metal and it attaches to it. Super handy, so you don't even have to use a suction cup, though you can use one. I didn't know that they did audio, but they do. They have an audio attachment. This also is great for a vlogging kit. If you're looking for an easy, simple way to get into vlogging and speaking in front of the camera, and you don't want to use a microphone, you can use the mount as well. And this is just pops right on top of your camera, and there you go. You have high quality audio that you can hear me. And they call this the Windjammer. I've called it a dead cat in the past. It is synthetic. It is not a real cat. Let's put it together, shall we? It's a strong light. Let's attach you. There's got to be like a dimmer. Ah, yes. So I can read my lines here. I have the light on my face. We're recording. And what I like about the audio mount, you can also, or the shotgun mount, you can also hook it directly to your phone. It comes with two different cables. The light is great that you can use both with that cover. Very, very big fan of the Beam.